Alright guys, welcome back to our online classroom. This is week 2, and for week 2 we're going to look at Hamilton versus Jefferson. It's not going to be very different from week 1. It's going to be actually the same kind of era, but we're just skipping ahead a few years and kind of looking at the rivalry between Alexander Hamilton and Thomas Jefferson. Okay, now you have a few assignments this week. Your first assignment is a reading guide. It's just straight from the book. I believe it's you read 6 pages, and then on the 7th page there are some questions. And again, you only have to answer a few of the questions. You don't have to answer all the questions. The questions you do have to answer are already laid out for you in the directions. So that's your first assignment, is a reading guide. And your second assignment is just a question, a short answer question. And the question just is, who wins the rivalry between Alexander Hamilton and Thomas Jefferson? You could argue both sides, so there is no wrong answer. Just make sure you provide evidence or you provide reasons for why you believe, Hamilton won the rivalry or why you think Jefferson won the rivalry. Again, no wrong answer as long as you can provide me the reason why. As always, with the short answer, you have to do it 100 words minimum. And again, I have nothing but time, so I'll just be copying and pasting your responses into Microsoft Word and then doing word number search so I can check and see officially how many words you have. So make sure you have 100. Okay, the assignments both assignments this week are worth 10 points. So 20 points on the line. No online lecture this week, so that's nice. The reading guide kind of takes the place of that. On the question of Hamilton versus Jefferson, I have put up a bunch of sources or material to kind of help guide you or to help give you some evidence if you want to use some. So I have a reading on there literally it's called Hamilton versus Jefferson. I have the crash course video on Thomas Jefferson and kind of his presidency, because remember, Thomas Jefferson does end up becoming the 3rd president of the United States. And then I have a little short video on just Alexander Hamilton and kind of some reasons on why he invented modern day America. Okay, so you can use that material and kind of arm yourself with information that you can use to then answer the question properly. That's basically it. Week 2, not so different from week 1. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Again, don't just post a comment or don't make a private comment on Google Classroom. I can't really see that. But if you shoot me an email, I can answer it immediately. Again, I'll be basically logging in between 8 and 3. So within that time frame, if you email me, I'll be ready to roll. Anytime after that, no guarantees, but I still will try my best. All right, that's all I got, guys. Good luck, and hopefully you have fun learning this week. Talk to you guys later.